Hey guys, welcome back to Pondering Creations Farm. Just thought I'd do a little tour of my favorite room in the house today. It is our upstairs living room. It was actually the living room that went with the apartment when we did the conversion back to a one family. Say it's my favorite room in the house, but today it needs to be cleaned because it's not looking like my favorite room in the house right now. So let's go, I'll take you up there. We call this the blue room. It used to be our master bedroom, and then when we redid the house and we took over the two family and turned it into a one, my husband and I moved our master suite into the apartment, which you can see here is this door. I'm actually gonna shut it. It's a little messy in there. So what I'm gonna do today is just get this room back in order. This whole side curtain's off, and we had some overnight guests that we put an air mattress over there. So I never put it back together, and I got busy, and so I figured I would just do that today. The room is looking great, so I figured I would go ahead and show you a couple of my favorite things about this room. The first thing is the view. It's got a really nice view of the garden, and you can hear the pond. And with all of these windows, it lets in great light. There's like 6 windows here. And so it has great natural light, which I just love. It's actually where we have some succulents, some cuttings that I took, but it's also where we do start all of our seeds. And then my favorite part about this room is this bookshelf here with my grandfather's books. It's antique books. And then I have some jars of beads that actually Kevin's grandmother gave to me. So they're antique. And I love them. And there's a picture of my twins. And then most of all, I love my tin ceiling. It really makes this room, and I just love it. And then I think I'll tell you guys what all these doors are. So this is the door to mine and my husband's master suite. That is for another video. But you can see our see-through fireplace and our tub, which I love. And then this door here is our stackable washer and dryer, which is why this is the laundry room, because I really don't have to go anywhere with the laundry. All the kids' bedrooms are right here. Keep everything folded in here, and the wash is just so close. And then this is the kids' bathroom, which I just love. We did it not that long ago. This was the master suite, and this bathroom was attached to the bedroom through that way. But we broke through this wall so that the boys could access this bathroom too. So now it's the kids' bathroom. And then it's also a catch-all space. This is the old changing table that I still need to get rid of, and the TV that we inherited from my dad. And then this door goes back to the hall where we just came in, the staircase. And then this is my son's bedroom. So it's like he has his own private little living room right off of his bedroom, because that is the smallest bedroom in the house. So I hope you guys enjoyed my tour today, and I hope you guys love my blue room as much as I do. And now when I'm doing laundry, it won't be a mess. Thanks for watching.